I'm building a tiny vacation home on wheels.
Shut up and sit down.
So I made it to Arizona, and it's freaking snowing right now. Like snow flurries, and it's like 36 degrees, and I have snow on my sleeve. Oh my god, it's so windy, and maybe this is a bad idea, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep going. I've only got like 30 minutes to get to the Petrified Forest, and I need to get there so I can boondock tonight on BLM land. But yeah, I'm in Arizona. No sign. Where is the sign? But there's like fake animals up in the mountain up there, up in the canyon. Okay, back in the car. Oh, it's cold. And I'm in flip-flops, so, you know. So there's currently a crash on the 40 freeway. This is the second big major traffic jam that we've had. But because us van lifers use our own little apps to figure out how to get around this stuff, I'm following these two sprinters who have a bunch of bikes on the back. All the bugs on my window. Anyway, so at least I'm not sitting in this. I'm just kind of hauling ass down this road, following these cargo vans. So this reminds me of an episode of a travel show where this woman went all the way to Machu Picchu, and it basically looked like this. Oh my god, I love the snow, but there is nothing to see. It's okay, I got another 45 minutes before I get to the campground. This is really pretty though. And again, I'm in flip-flops. I do not wear regular shoes when it's cold. Prudence is doing well. The all-weather tires are stacking up to their reputation, so that's good. So it is cold out here, so I'm gonna go back and keep driving. Hopefully I'll see something. So these views are amazing. Okay, and this view over here is amazing, and actually this view is the best. It was funny when I came in, the park ranger, I was like, he's like, did you know it snows in Arizona? I'm like, I had no idea it was going to snow this bad. I should have just gone to Colorado or continued in Colorado. But he looked at my cargo van and goes, you know what, you should be fine, you're self-contained. I was like, you know what, that's a really great compliment. Like, thank you for recognizing that I'm not driving a plumber's van. So this is all the petrified wood. I guess that's why it's called the Petrified Forest. And it's actually illegal for you to take a piece of it home. But they just have all these little pieces of trees just kind of splattered around. So I need to like see what this is all about. But anyway, so that's what it is. That's why it's called the Petrified Forest. It has nothing to do with about being, you know, scared or anything. So although the weather is kind of dark and cold.